Do you know that feeling? Isolation from everything in complete calm. When you travel, you want to do things you know you love, but you also expect moments that can't be forgotten. When you come back with your memory after years, months, or even days, and think to yourself, wow, that was really something. Moments specially designed for you, as unique as you. Here, in the heart of Egypt, you can create your own moments and enjoy every second of your experience with exquisite cuisine, perfect weather, the splendor of nature, captivating visuals, and unparalleled peace. We can make you feel the magic of Egypt in ways you've never imagined.